Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are going to see about Azure DevOps Services and Azure DevOps Server. So, Azure DevOps provides a developer services for support teams to plan, work, collaborate on code development and build, deploy applications. Azure DevOps supports a culture and a set of processes that bring developers, project managers, and contributors together to complete software development. It allows organizations to create and improve products at a faster pace than they can do with the traditional software development approaches. So we can use work in Azure DevOps through cloud using the Azure DevOps services. If we want to use on-premises services, then you have to use Azure DevOps Server. So Azure DevOps provides integrated features that we can access through our web browser. So the services we can access through our web browser or IDE client, and these are all the standalone services. Azure pipelines, artifacts, Azure boards, repos are all standalone services that we can select according to our business needs. So the basic plans comes with the individual services also, like it will go with we can start with for free plan also. So Azure pipelines, it is coming with free services, some free services, and Azure boards we can work on it, and Azure repos we can get unlimited private Git repos, and the basic plan for Azure artifacts, that also we can use in the free basic plan. And if it is test plans, means basic and test plans means that 30 days would be free trial, and after that we have to pay for the services we are using. And if what this Azure DevOps server, it will be we used when we are want to work from on-premises environment. So when we use this Azure DevOps server means when we need to when we want our data to stay within our network, it should not expose to public or internet, then we have to choose for this Azure DevOps server. And if we want to track the customization requirements, so we have to go for this DevOps server only. On-premises model supports modification of XML definition files. When we are configuring Azure DevOps server, we will be following the service which Azure build server will be configuring, and Azure SQL server and SQL analysis server, both we will be configuring. The build server supports on-premises and cloud hosted builds, and SQL server and SQL analysis server that supports SQL server reports and the ability to create Excel pivot charts based on the cube. So these are all about this Azure DevOps services and Azure DevOps server introduction. So let us see some more concept in Azure DevOps in our forthcoming videos. Thanks for watching.